Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix OptiFine not opening with Java. Normally, it should be something like this and it should be open without any problems. But sometimes it will not really be like this. It will not have this icon and it will not have the Java icon in general. So how can we fix this? It's very easy. Go ahead and open your browser and search for Java. After you search for it, go and click on the first link, and from there click on download Java for desktop, as you can see right here. So from there you'll be able to download the Java by clicking on download Java for desktop from this area. Now you can click on it and it will download Java for you. All you need to be next is to simply the installation process, which is very simple. Then after you have it fully installed, you're simply going to click right here and then go ahead and click on open with, and you should find Java platform, as you can see here, and you should click on it and it should open just like so. In case it didn't open just like that, you can go back to your Java website and go back here and make sure to download the Java kit, as you will find it in here. So this is the developer downloads and you can download the Java kit. As you can see, make sure to download here developer download. Make sure to choose which OS system, which is the operation system you have, or Mac OS or Windows, and then make sure to download the latest version, and just like that you will have everything correctly and good to go. That was it for today's video, and see you guys in the next tutorial.